Hi, it's me Nishalino. In this video, I am going to talk about a basic payslip in Ireland. And before moving to that, please subscribe my channel and do comment below if you have any doubts or suggestions.
So this is a basic payslip and you can see your personal details on the top, which include your name, personal number, weekly hours. This employee work 39 hours per week, scale point, hourly rate and basic salary. Basic salary means the salary per annum. So he's getting 45,000 euro per year, and PPS number, then employer name, next increment date and the position. And you can see a date from and date to entry. That means this is paid from February 1st to 28th of February. So this is a monthly pay slip. So he getting paid every month, and it is paid on, that is the pay date, 28th of February 2021. And there is a pay period, which means it is paid for the month of February. So this is the second pay period in that particular year. While move on to the additions, you can see the basic pay, and he worked 169 hours that month, and he got his basic payment hourly rate of 22.19, that make 3,750 euro. And then he has an entry of overtime that he got 1,000 euro. If you are working for an employment with more shift allowances, you can see more additions like Sunday allowance or night allowance or holiday premium. But this employee have only the basic pay and the overtime, so that will bring his gross pay to 4,750 for that period. And now we can move to the deduction side. So there are 3 mandatory deductions in Ireland that include tax, employee PRSI and USC. They all are mandatory deductions. First I am going to talk about the tax deductions. So the tax is deducted based on the tax credit certificate. We all get a tax credit certificate at the beginning of each year. This certificate will tell the employer what should be your tax rate band, USC band and tax credits. And based on that, the employer will deduct our tax from our total pay. So here you can see that this employee have a monthly tax rate band of 2941.67, and we can see there is a yearly calculation and the weekly calculation. In this case, he is getting a monthly pay slip, so we are going by the monthly tax rate band rate. So the tax rate band means up to that point we have to pay 20% of tax. So he has to pay 20% up to the amount of 2,941.67 euros per month, and the rest of the amount will be deducted at 40%. That is the tax rate band workout. And you can see there is a tax credit as well. So for him we can see there is a monthly tax credit of 275 euro. So if we get more tax credit, the amount of tax that you pay will less. I will show you the calculations in few minutes. So make sure you are applied for all the tax credits that you are eligible, so you can pay only less amount of tax. Now we will see how to calculate the tax. So up to the tax cutoff point, you have to pay 20% of tax. So that is 2,941.67 euro at 20%. That will be 588.334 euros. And this cutoff point is based on your living situation and civil status. So that is 588.334 euro. And for the rest of the amount, we have to pay 40% of tax. So that means from 4,750, we have to deduct the cutoff point. That will give you 1,808 euros. So 40% of that should be deducted. That means 723.332 euro. So the total amount of tax to be deducted is the 20%, that is 588.33, and the 40% of the rest of the amount, that is 723.332. So we have to add both of them, so that will be 1,311.66 euros. And this particular person have a monthly tax credit of 275 euro. So they will credit that from the tax that to be paid. So 1,311 minus 275 euro. So that will give you 1,036.60. That should be the amount of tax he has to pay in this particular payslip. And as I already told you, as we get more tax credit, we have to pay less tax. So that's how the tax is calculated on this payslip. Now we can move on to the next deduction, that is PRSA, which is pay related social insurance. And there are 11 classes of PRSI in Ireland, which is based on our job status and income. And most of us will be in the PRSI A class, and there are some subdivisions for the PRSI A class as well. And you can see in this particular payslip, this employee is A1, PRSI A1 class, that's shown on the bottom of the payslip. And for the A1 class, the PRSI rate is 4% of our gross income. So 4% is 190 euros. That is the employee PRSI deduction. Based on these PRSI contributions, we are getting lots of benefits from the government, such as maternity benefit, illness benefit, job seekers benefit, and so on. And along with the employee PRSI, the employer also pay PRSI for employees. So in this payslip, you can see a cumulative figure of the employer PRSI on the bottom, that is 1022 euros from the beginning of this year. So that's a cumulative figure, and this employer PRSI also based on the gross pay of the employees. So I'll move on. Next deduction is the USC, that is a universal social charge, and I already told about the tax credit certificate, and we can see the USC rate band on the back of that as well. And in most cases it will be similar for most of the employees, and there could be some deducted rate for those with old age and who has the medical card. And we can see for this particular employee the rate is as follows. So he has to pay 0.5% for the income up to 12,012 euro, and for 2% for the income up to 8,675 euros, and 4.5% up to 49,357 euros, and all the income above 70,044 euros he has to pay 8%. So that's the tax rate USC band for him. And if your income is less than 13,000 euro per annum, you don't need to pay USC. And based on this rate band, you can see on this payslip he had to pay 155.64 euros. Next is the year to date column, that means from the beginning of the year until to the till date. So you can see the total tax they paid until this time is 1973.20 euros, and the total PRSI they paid is 1126.60, and the total USC is 1092.24. So that's the amount from the beginning of this year. And now is the bottom part that says the gross pay. So that we already told it is 4,750 for this period. And then the taxable pay, it's the same amount. In some cases, if you are a public employee, you may paying the pension. So in that case, the pension is not liable for tax. So the taxable pay and the gross pay will be different. But in this case, he has no such deductions. So his gross pay, taxable pay and PRSIable pay all are same. So those three are 4,750 euros. Next is the tax cutoff that I already showed you in the tax credit certificate. So the monthly cutoff is 2941.67, and the tax credits for that month is 275 euro. And the PRSI weeks, normally there is one PRSI for 1 week. So this is a monthly pay slip. So there are 4 weeks. So the number of PRSI contributions are 4. And next is the year to date. So that means from the beginning of this year until this date, how much gross pay you had and how much tax cutoff and the tax credits. And next is the prior employer pay. So if you had any other employment in this year, you can see the details of that over there. And if there is any tax you paid with that employment, you can see that as well. But in this case, there is no other employment in this year, so there is no entry on that area. Next is tax basis. Here it is N, that means normal or cumulative basis. If it is E or emergency, means you are paying extra tax, and I already did a video how to get your emergency tax back, so please watch that. And while move on, we can see there is a PRSI class that we already discussed. He is on A1 class and his deduction is at 4% rate. And then the employer PRSI, that's also we discussed. And then you can see the total pay. So from the gross pay of 4,750, we had 3 deductions in this case: tax, employee PRSI and USC. So after that deduction, the amount that he got paid is 3367.76. That's after all his deductions. If you are a public employee, you may have more deductions like pension, different types of pension, PRDs, or if you are paying any other your union subscriptions from your payslip, that also will be see in the deduction side.
That's all about a payslip. Hope you understand it. If you have any doubts, please comment below and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.